Hello, my beautiful friends, viewers, and my lovely subscribers. This is your host Asad Shah. A delight welcome to my amazing channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. My dear friends, this is our YouTube channel, Fashion Addiction, and we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. Friends and viewers, this channel is uniquely and especially designed for fashion addicts all over the world. And this channel will provide all the new updates and fashion items brilliantly selected by the top designers of your countries. So my dear friends and my lovely subscribers, today I am gonna show you some of the best and the gorgeous designs of embroidery blazers and jackets for women. These blazers and jackets designs and colors are very pretty and beautiful as well. And friends, definitely you will like them all. So my dear friends, here is the fun thing for you all. If you like them all, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you can never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And if you don't press the bell icon, you will miss my further videos. And I don't want that you will miss any update from my channel. And don't forget to comment your suggestion in comment section and give suggestion which video should do next. My dear friends and my lovely subscribers, we brings you the best of the best from each designer's collection and making it possible for our viewers to feel like they have a personal stylist. Friends, to see all your favorite designs, watch the video till the end. These beautiful styles are bound to give ideas for your own outfit, no matter your celebration's theme. Friends, look through our collection. Wants to know what we are talking about, you are bound to fall in love with them at first sight. My dear friends, you have come to this page in search for something and we want to make sure you find it. That's why we have new arrivals every day. So my dear friends, don't ever feel shy to comment. We will always try to answer all your queries of any type of fashion you need. Friends, you can see latest dresses, baby dresses, handbags, shoes, jewelries, jackets and everything that is related to current fashion. You can also watch every new fashion which is trending. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel Fashion Addiction and you can make sure you hit the bell icon. The bell icon which is so small in size but very useful for you to watch every new video of my channel. So friends and viewers, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. Friends, take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Love you all guys.